We started using voice activation software in 2006. A number of people were suspicious of it, so we decided to go with just one unit, try it out with an officer for a couple weeks. It worked real well, and we equipped our entire fleet, around 21 cars, with it. We've been using it since 2006, and it's worked great. The technology is there. We're very happy with it, and our officers like it.
How is it benefiting the officer in the car?
It's just making it easier to run tags, and their attention is more focused on driving than trying to run a tag while driving. They're able just to hit the shift button, read the tag off while they're driving, and then it reports the information back to them through a speaker. So it just made things a lot simpler, and it's, in my view, reduced the risk of an officer having an accident.
Basically, when we're on a car stop, running this verbally allows me to keep an eye on who's ever in the car, any type of evasive movements or anything that I think that's going to be combative in nature, that's going to be problems later down the road for me, where I can have the backup start rolling towards me. So to run the tag, it's already spitting out the information. I don't have to sit there and read it. It'll tell me if the car has a hit for something, warrant, or whatever. It allows me to do my job a lot easier.
How does it improve your situational awareness while you're driving?
When I'm running, all I have to do is press the button, and I could be driving down the road and call out the tag, and it gives me all the information back without having to take my eyes off the road, continue to observe the surroundings, and it also keeps me safer because I really don't have to drop my eyesight to see what I'm doing or see what's on the computer. It does it for me. Basically, I would hit the control button, call out the tag, Zulu Golf X-Ray 54 Juliet. It would run it randomly. I don't specifically know who the owner is, but if there's a problem with the owner or something along those lines, it would come back saying that it was a warrant, or the subject suspended driver, or that the car's unregistered, whatever it might be.
Okay.
So, and then that allows me to create a situation, call out the tag before I activate my lights and pull somebody over, so I can just be out of the car and come around and approach the vehicle and already know what I'm getting ready to deal with.
Any weird situations that you've had using the product that it's benefited you, having heads-up information before approaching a vehicle?
Yes, because it's allowed me to get backups in place if I thought somebody was going to run, or situations where I think it might be a high-risk car stop. Sometimes we'll get like possible armed robbery suspects, and it comes up and it kicks that back. So you don't want to go and handle this situation by yourself, especially if it's occupied by more than one person.
Sure.
Because you don't know what they're going to be able to do. And again, you don't know what's in the car to go any further with. So you want to set your backup up as much as you can.